Is it a good time to buy or sell a house right now in luxury Orange County? Well, that's exactly what we're going to deep dive in this video, but I want to see everything that happened in the last month of January of 2026 in Newport Coast, Newport Beach, and Corona del Mar. So if you're looking to buy or sell in these areas, this video is for you. Single-family homes in Corona del Mar are listed at $7.99 million. They're sitting for around 136 days at about $2,400 per square foot. It's still slightly in favor of sellers, but low inventory means steady demand. And sellers, right now, it's definitely a good time to list, just given the fact that you still have low inventory, as I just mentioned, so you have the advantage. And buyers, supply is tight, so definitely don't delay if you're looking to make a move. When we look at condos in Corona del Mar, they're currently listed at around $2.85 million, spending about 91 days on the market and priced about $1,943 per square foot. It's still leaning in a seller's market as well, but definitely a little bit cooler. Essentially, just know that pricing is still strong and that there's not a whole lot of inventory, so you have that playing to your advantage. Buyers, obviously timing matters, so act quickly, and right now might be a good time for you to get aggressive and try to negotiate a better price. If we're to look at Newport Beach single-family homes, they're listed at about $5.6 million. The average time on the market is about 148 days, with prices around $1,748 per square foot. Sellers market, so sellers, less competition is working in your favor, and buyers' full price offers are common, but there's definitely a lot of deals going in buyers' advantages in the sense of them getting some great pricing and being able to negotiate the prices down. If we look at condos in Newport Beach, they're listed at about $1.85 million, currently sitting about 107 days on the market at $1,189 per square foot. So the market is definitely cooling slightly in Newport, but sellers just price competitively and expect a little bit longer timelines, and buyers more inventory means better options right now. In Newport Coast, luxury homes are listed at about $14.3 million, spending about 165 days on the market at $2,332 per square foot. The low inventory is keeping sellers in control, so sellers, obviously the great conditions are currently great for high-end listings, and for buyers, obviously there's some serious competition for premium homes, so keep that in mind when negotiating. If we're to look at condos in Newport Coast, they're currently listed at about $2.5 million, sitting at about 123 days on the market. They're priced at about $1,229 per square foot. There's currently only 5 units available, so extremely limited inventory. So sellers, right now is a great time to be able to list your house or list your condo if that's something you're thinking about doing. We could talk about taxes, capital gains, and everything else, so contact me directly if that's something you're looking to do. But buyers, because of the fact that there's so little options, you definitely don't want to wait if it's a good fit for you. If we were to look at the entire February 2026 coastal market for these 3 areas, obviously the inventory is still extremely tight across all 3, especially in the luxury markets like Newport Coast, Corona del Mar, and Newport Beach. Pricing still remains strong and days on the market are getting longer, but still steady. You're still in a slight seller's market, meaning that sellers have the advantage, but not necessarily unlimited power. The proper pricing is absolutely key because overpriced homes are definitely sitting and doing price corrections. So keep that in mind. You don't want to go too aggressive with pricing. And the low inventory, obviously more attraction per listing. So you'll get a lot of eyeballs if you stage it, present it, and price it correctly. If you're considering listing, now might be the strategic window. Fewer competitors, steady buyer interest, and firm pricing. But if you're looking to buy, there's still a lot of great deals being done right now, and a lot of buyers are getting aggressive in negotiating because of the fact that there's more days on the market. Some sellers are getting more motivated, so also keep that in mind. So if you are looking to make a move, such as buying, selling, or even leasing out your property, go ahead and contact me at 949-405-4455. Let's make sure that we're a good fit first, and I would love to be able to help you. Subscribe, or if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. But I put out market updates every single Monday, and then every Friday I'll put out community tours or some real estate strategy insights or anything like that. So I'm also starting to do some interviews.